believe it finally came. Hi, hello, welcome. My name is Rebecca. I am an artist. I'm a small business owner. What else have I started saying in my intros now? Anyway, we're here because I got one of the mystery boxes from Oden's Eye, and it's here. I'm so excited. Everything that came in the box except for one product I used on my face today. You can probably tell if you've watched my videos before that this is not normally a look that I do. So you'll see why when you see the palettes and everything. I'm not gonna say anything yet. So let's go ahead and open this damn box. I ordered one of the Oden's Eye mystery boxes. This was the more expensive one. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for it. Oh my God, I've been waiting for like a month for this thing. So I was really excited when it got here. I did not wait to open this until I did this video. I just honestly could not fucking wait to see what's in it. So I already opened it. So now I'm just gonna show you what came in it. The first thing that was in it was this card that is so sweet. I'm gonna read it. We hope that what you see will bring you joy and happiness. We hope that when you open the package, what's inside will bring you happiness, just like receiving a cherished toy when you were young. We hope that what we give you is what you need, is what you want. Thank you for your trust in our products and your support of us. We hope that you'll love them as much as we do and want to share your thoughts on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. I'm doing that right now. Please make sure to add Oden's Eye Cosmetics, and we really look forward to interact with you on socials. XOXO Team and Oden's Eye. That was a very sweet personal note. I know everyone got it, but it was sweet. Still, if you hear snoring, it is a dog that is over here. She is just conked out and snoring her little heart out. We're gonna go from small to big in this box. The first thing that I got was the Alva Kiss of a Fairy lipstick. This is a velvet lipstick. It is in the shade Light Peach L202. I can't tell you how many times I've seen this in YouTube videos of other people using them and talking about how much they love it. So I just can't believe that I have one of my own now. The whole thing is beautiful. And this is like a neutral, like a brownish mauve, which I am interested to try. It has a little tint of orange. It's like a warm brownie mauve. The next thing that came in the box was the Alva Cream Lip Stain. The back of the box, I just noticed, says grape leaf. Oh, I see. Camellia, honey. Oh, cute. Okay. I love little details. So these are ingredients that are in this product. The color is A104 Water Lily. One thing I did notice was the color that is on the box is different from the color that is on the bottom of the component, which is also different from what this looks like. So I'm interested to see what color is actually gonna be on my list. And this is what that looks like. It is so pretty. So these two so far. The next thing is the Alva II highlighter palette. This is what the inside looks like. And ooh, I'm so curious. I'm so curious to use it. You can see my leg. We've got this crystally white one that has pink and blue sparkles in it. This blue one, this more neutral goldish one, and then this white one, which looks like it has like a pink blue shift a little bit. The next thing is the Solmane eyeshadow palette. And this is what the inside of that looks like. I'm gonna reserve my first thought for when I open the next one, and you'll understand why. And the last thing in the box is the Alva eyeshadow palette. And this is the inside of that one. So my thoughts just off the bat, I got the neutral ones. And if you know me at all, if you've watched any of my videos, if you follow me on Instagram, I don't really do neutrals. Like, ever. Oh man, the Alva II collection has a bigger eyeshadow palette and 3 mini palettes, and they're all so colorful. I was hoping to get any of those, but I got these really neutral ones. So we're just gonna have to work with what we got. But you know, the whole point of me getting this mystery box, I knew what I was signing up for. I knew that I wasn't gonna know what I was gonna get. The only reason why I got the mystery box was so that I could get items just to try out the products and see if I like the quality, like the formulation. So the colors don't really matter to me so much as me just trying to see if I like the products at all. That's how I'm going into it. I cannot do anything until I swatch shit out. I'm gonna start with the Solmane palette, which has 12 shadows. The other one has 16. I have to say already, I love how tiny these pans are. They're so little. It's like a little sampler palette. I love that. I mean, no one needs to have giant pans. And they have names, that's fun. I'm not gonna read them. We're gonna do Solmane here, Alva here. Starting with one of my least favorite colors on the planet, that one. So the mattes already are dusty from what I could tell. Whew, we're a neutral bitch. We are a neutral bitch. So this is the one that I was looking forward to most out of this palette, this like mustardy yellow. I will be using that. Ooh, okay, so this is super flaky. I didn't realize it until it started falling all over my everything over here. Moving right along. I'm glad there's a purple in there. Makes things a little more interesting. Okay, another super duper flaky one. Yeah, the mattes are so powdery. I will have to be careful with fallout, so good to know. That's why I like to do arm swatches, one of the reasons. Last row. This one is the one I'm most excited about though. This feels like it could hit hard pan real fast. And that one's really pretty too. Okay. Ooh, okay. Let's see how these turn out. That's tiny. So that's definitely like a berry kind of plummy base, and it's got just a little bit of sparkle. I think it's a multi-chrome. That's pretty. And this is just your regular chocolate brown. Let's do the other arm. God, I do not know if I can do 16 shades on one arm. We'll see. Okay, now we're moving on to this palette. These pans are so tiny. That one looks like nothing. The mattes are super powdery. I don't know if they changed their formulation between the different launches. They had the Norms collection last, so I don't know if that's the same formulation of these. No idea. That's all I have to say about it. Yeah, I can very safely say that I really don't think I will ever have a reason to use those super light neutral shades, but we'll see. I believe that everyone can change their mind at any point. I may become a basic neutral bitch, you never know. Cool, we're gonna be able to fit all 16 on here. Ooh, another flaky guy. Last row. I can feel so many different textures in this palette. Oh, damn neutrals, look at you. These are our two palettes. Wow, very neutral. I'm still excited to try the formula. What shall we do here? They're pretty. I mean, lots of people I'm sure are gonna love these. Oh, fuck, I don't know, man. I don't know. I need to think for a sec. I'm stumped with these neutrals. So I'm just gonna get started and we'll see where it goes. You're gonna have to pardon me on these brushes. I haven't washed them. Okay, so the first thing I think I wanna do is use this super duper light mauve and just use that as my transition up here. Okay, I'm not mad. So much more pigmented on the eye than I thought it was gonna be. Like way better than the arm swatch. Holy moly, way better. I'm really interested to see how these other shades look on the eyes because, oh gosh, I mean, it's really light and you can't really see a whole lot, but from where I'm looking, it's a really, really pretty shade that in person, in real life, I think it would look really nice. So that was Lotus, that one. I'm gonna try Camellia in the crease. Give dimension, deepen it up. It's doing a fine job already. having a nice mauvey moment right now. It's not gonna stay that way. Okay, I'm so curious. I really wanna try this one down here, and it looks like it should be used with a finger, but the way it's swatched out, it feels like it should be used with a brush. So I'm gonna try it with a brush on the outer part of the lid. I don't know, maybe that was a mistake. I don't know. I don't know what to do with this shadow, huh? It's like the same color as the one I just used. It just has sparkles in it. So, you know, instead, I'm just gonna put this one on top of Camellia, the one I just used, just in the crease, right there, right where the other one is. Just to give it some sparkle. It's the same color. This might be really good in the lower lash line, actually, because it's such a muted shadow with some sparkle. Yeah, you can barely see anything. Just the tiniest little bit of sparkle. What's next, guys? All right, I want to play with the yellows. Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna go in right now. I cannot believe how stained these brushes are. Fuck. I'm gonna use this one here and put that on the outer part of the lid. I like the color. I just feel like this yellow should be with colors that aren't in either one of these palettes. It's such a nice yellow. I was gonna try the other yellow, but fuck it. I'm gonna use this purple and I'm gonna go in the front half of the lid. I'm used to so much more color. Okay, we're still gonna do it. I'm gonna try to put this really bright yellow on the inner corner. I'm just doing my mattes right now. I'm gonna go over like everything with shimmers, but just mattes right now. Inner corner. I know, it's a weird choice, but I just wanna see. I'm using a pencil brush so I can be a little more precise. Oh my gosh, you can't see anything, and I don't think it's the palette's fault. I am filming in a different place today. I am working a lot and I'm not really home hardly at all right now. I'm working for 3 weeks straight doing overnight jobs, and so I am filming where I can when I can, and so I'm just in a place that doesn't have the best lighting to show you my shadows. I'm sorry. So if you're curious of how this turns out, if it doesn't really show up on this video, then just go to my Instagram and you'll see the photo there. I do think it's interesting. I'm gonna line the outer part of the lower lash line. Yeah, I guess so, man, okay. With Morning Glory. Okay, and the inner part of the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with this one here. Shade I would never use, but I'm just curious. Oh, is it time for shimmers yet? I need to deepen up the crease. I'm gonna try to deepen up the crease with Peony. Yeah, that's better. Okay, that's better. Just on the outer corners, the outer V, I'm gonna use this fucking brown. Can't believe it. This one, this brown. Can't believe it. Let's do something else unexpected. I'm gonna blend out the outer V with this color. I just, I don't love it. Oh, it's lighter than I thought. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, we're blending. Oh man. For a light color that's so pigmented. Oh, lordy. Okay, wasn't expecting that. Oh, wow. Well, okay. Yeah, okay, so now it's time for shimmers. Okay, so I have to try out Sunflower. I'm not gonna use a glitter glue or anything. So I'm going to use this with a brush and put it right over that yellow I used. Okay. And on top of the purple, I'm going to use Lilac. I'm gonna try with a finger just to see what happens. Well, yeah, why would I be surprised? Finger's always better. So I'm gonna use a finger on the other side. Right in between those, I'm gonna try this one, which is so pretty as a swatch. Ooh, yeah. Oh. Ooh, I like that one. I like that one. Ooh. So no surprise here. I'm gonna be using this one here on the inner corner on top of the lighter yellow. Okay, let's talk about the shimmer formula. Oh gosh, this is pretty. Okay, I'm here for the shimmers. Woo, yes, shimmers please. All of them, all of the shimmers. On the lower lash line, I want to try Dandelion. These sheer shimmers are so pretty. I want to try another shimmer that's more opaque though. Yeah, okay. I think I want to try Cherry Blossom, this one here. And I'm going to put that right on the outer corner. Ooh, well, that's nice, isn't it? Ooh, that's interesting. Okay, try a little bit of everything. Yeah, I really wanted to test out both of these palettes. Really glad I did. We still have highlighter and lips. Oh my God. I still need to do blush. So I'm gonna just slap some blush on my face and then come back and we'll do the highlighter and lips. All right, so this is the finished eye look. Let's dig into the highlighters. These guys. I have no idea how these are gonna come out, so I'm gonna swatch them. So this is more lavender, and this is just sparkle. We're gonna try them all, obviously. Let's start with this one, Gnome. We're just gonna go over here. That's a nice warm glow. I feel like I see other flecks in there. Like it looks like there might be like a green shift to it. Let's try the other ones. I wanna try the blue one up here. See, it doesn't look blue on the face. It's more white, if anything else. Let's do this one on the tip of my nose just to see. That's cute. That's definitely like a lavender. My voice cracked. I'm gonna pop that here, just tie it in. And just here. Okay. And then of course we're gonna have try Salamander. Where to put you? This is that super, super, super sparkling one. I think I'm just gonna put it on the outer part of my eye. This is my temple area. Let me also just put some of that gnome one here. Lips. I can't try both of these. I want to try the lipstick. I haven't ever seen anyone use this. I've seen tons of people use this and I'm just curious. I really want to try it. I can't even remember the last time I used a bullet lipstick, so this is a little awkward for me. Also, my lips are dry as the fucking Sahara, so that's not helping. Okay, I mean, it's a pretty color. It's definitely that velvet matte finish. I've heard so many people talk about how much they love the Oden's Eye lipstick formula. I don't really have any bullet lipsticks to compare it to, so I don't know. I'm very neutral for me. I realize I have purple and lots of sparkle on my eyes, but this is neutral for me. I'm gonna swatch out that lip stain just because I'm really curious. That's pretty too. Yeah, that's nice. I will use that tomorrow. I'm gonna put my hair down and take my sweater off so I look like a decent human being. So I am happy that I have these Oden's Eye products, but I am like 1000% bummed that I didn't get colors. I feel like I really need colors. I don't feel comfortable in this look because it's not really me. I definitely tried something that is outside of my comfort zone, which is something that's a lot more subdued and neutral. It's fine. I mean, you know, it's fine. I need colors. I need colors. You know what I'm saying? You've seen the videos, right? Like, you know. The whole experience of getting the box and opening it, that was really fun, and getting to see these things I have never seen before, and I mean, it was fun. And I definitely really like the Oden's Eye Shimmer formulation. Now I know I really do want to try more of their products. I'm excited for their next launch. I really wanted to get the Norns collection. I really think I want to get like an all shimmer palette from them. I think they have two. Definitely one of the Norns. I think they have maybe an Alva II palette, like one of the mini ones that might just be shimmers, I think. But anyway, cool. Did you get Mystery Box Oden's Eye? I want to know what everyone got because I have no fucking idea. I know all the products that they have. Like, I've looked at the website, I know everything that's available, but I'm just curious about what everyone got. That's kind of also exciting. So let me know if you got it in the comments. Tell me what you got. Yay. I can't wait to try more stuff from them. Anyway, thank you for joining me, and I will catch you for the next video. Bye.